In the heart of a vibrant neighborhood, a young girl named Lily blossomed amidst the daily rhythm of life. Her laughter, like a melody, echoed through the streets, weaving a connection with those around her. Lily, with eyes sparkling like the morning sun, found magic in the mundane, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. Raised by her grandmother, Lily embraced life's lessons with an open heart. Together, they tended to a small garden, each bloom reflecting the shared stories and love passed through generations. Lily's days were an exploration, her tiny feet dancing along the cobblestone paths, leaving traces of innocence and wonder. One fateful day, Lily stumbled upon a neglected community center. Undeterred by its worn exterior, she envisioned a haven for creativity and friendship. With crayons and dreams in hand, Lily transformed the space, breathing life into its forgotten corners. The community rallied behind her, and the center became a vibrant hub for shared art, laughter, and unity. Lily's story was not just about a girl, it was a celebration of humanity's resilience and the enduring power of simple gestures. Through her warmth and kindness, she turned the ordinary into extraordinary.